Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create progress bar in Google Sheets. Now this is actually a pretty quick tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get this done. So you have here the task descriptions and you have the percentage of completeness and then the progress bar. As of the moment the progress bar is empty, but we're going to be working on that one. Now I have this particular formula right here that we're gonna be using, and I just opted to write this one in here because it's quite long and yeah, it'll take us forever to just type this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and then put it here. All right, there you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and make some changes here. You see the cell right here? Let's go ahead and delete that one and then choose the left cell or the one that we're gonna be using. And then you have the red right here. You can definitely go ahead and choose whatever color you want here. Green, blue, hex code. Yeah, it's up to you. Once that is done, I want you to go ahead and hit the enter and you will be seeing the progress bar right here. You can go ahead and drag that one in order to apply it to all. Now, this is actually live, so whatever changes you make here, it's gonna go ahead and apply right away. So say for example, from 0 to 35%, if I hit enter, you can see that now it has populated its own progress already. So yep, that's the easiest way in order to create progress bar in Google Sheets.